saw you liked the first part.
Here's the second. Rebels seize Delhi. They crown the Mughal emperor as ruler again. But the British strike back. From Calcutta, troops sail upriver. On the Ganges gunboat, reinforcements pour in. The siege begins. Cannon fire echoes through the ruins. Streets run red. Inside, rebels fight with bayonets and fury. Supplies dwindle. Loyalist princes switch sides. After months of blood, the British storm the city. Retribution is brutal. Villages burn. Thousands executed, even those merely suspected. The rebellion crushed, but India is changed forever.